how to set up Dino bot on Discord. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to set up Dino bot on Discord. So Dino bot is a Discord bot that helps you to manage your server with configuration, moderation, anti-spam auto roles, etc. So first thing first, just head over to any browser and make sure you are currently logged into your Discord account, or you can also use the application and make sure you also have a particular channel or Discord server created. As you can see, I've already created one server over here. And simply head back to your new tab and just search in for Dino Discord bot. So simply click on the first link which appears over here, and you should be heading over to this page. And then just scroll all the way down and just ignore all of these paid version. You can just click on this add to server for which is free for everyone. So once you tap on it, it will head over to this screen. You can now basically choose your server. If you have more than one, you can just choose the particular one in which you would like to add this feature. Now simply tap on continue after selecting it, and you can just choose any one of these options. So I will simply keep it as it is and simply click on authorize, and it will ask you for a confirmation. So you can just fill out this captcha real quick and just wait for a few seconds, and you just have to complete this following over here. So let's say for my message to start, so that the command is a message, I'll just hit this button so that the bot will recognize it for a message, and simply choose your time zone back accordingly. So let's say I want to choose time zone for America, this one, and simply click on next, and just choose your updated channel where you want this feature to select it for, and simply click on done. And if you are interested in premium, you can also go for from over here and simply click on done. And just like that, from over here, just head over to your modules and you can choose any one of these options. So for now, in this example, I'll simply show you about auto roles. So you can just enable auto roles on join timed auto roles. So just tap on continue, that means settings, and once you're inside the settings, you can just select your role for your admin or any other role which you have created. So whenever someone joins your role, they will be assigned as an admin after 5 minutes of joining them. Or you can also remove that role accordingly and simply click on add, just like that, and that person will be, or user will be added to your admin rules list. So that is how we do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.